day. We're kayaking. Kealakekua Bay Marine Sanctuary. And snorkeling around a little bit. We're going to the Captain Cook Monument. We're launching here on this Mahini beach, I believe. Little cove, and then we go out and around. So let's get out there, see if we see some dolphins and what kind of fish are in. Shaka. Here we are. We got, that's the cliffs. They used to bury the old Hawaiian kings up there. Lower guys down on ropes with their bones, and then they would cut the ropes so the guys fell to their death so no one would know the secret of where the king's bones were buried. True story. It was considered an honor to volunteer for that duty. No thank you, I'll pass. But yeah, we're in Kealakekua Marine Sanctuary. The water is clear. I'm gonna do some snorkeling on the other end there. And there's the Captain Cook Monument. Way down there. So we're heading over there. Svetlana paddling there. Captain Cook Monument. Bunch of snorkel boats coming in. All right, lots of fish. Lots of fish down there. Lots of coral. I see more people than fish though. We're gonna make our way over to the monument. Cool. Nice place. Was a little stirred up today. The water wasn't as crystal clear, but it's still clear. But man, it drops. It gets to like 100, 200 feet. I don't even know how deep it is.